I am the emblem of Paris 2024, and this is my face. My face was born from the union of three symbols. The gold medal, unchanging,
Having to explain the logo that they made.
dazzling like talent, eternal like victory.
Oh, goodness.
The Olympic and Paralympic flame, which brings people together through the values of sport,
This is so
beyond borders,
cheesy.
nations, and generations. And
The
burns
fact that they're
inside
having
the
to
world's
explain
greatest
this.
athletes. Marianne, who upholds the imperative for everyone to advance, whose French spirit reveals an ambition to be egalitarian, sharing, and generous.
I mean, it's kind
A
of
face
cool,
that
but
places
also kinda
humans at the
weird.
heart of the games. The gold medal, the flame, Marianne, united for the first time in history under the same Olympic and Paralympic identity. I am the emblem of Paris 2024.
So here's why I did not like that commercial. I hated that they were talking about this emblem and the history behind it in the first person. I am this emblem and this is me and this is what I am. And I thought that was super weird, and it made me kind of uncomfortable that they were like trying to force something that was definitely not a living, breathing organism. Don't try to force something that's definitely not gonna happen. Like, no. And also, it really just looks like that character from the Disney movie Elemental. Like, it looks like the fire girl. I mean, maybe I guess it is kind of fire, so maybe that's what they were going for, but it's just like not my favorite, and the commercial was creepy. I will say I do love that they had history and all the reasoning and all that stuff was super cool. I just felt like the writing for the commercial was super weird, and this logo is honestly kind of dumb. So there you go.